What is anaphora? Anaphora is a rhetorical device that is the repetition of a word or group of words at the beginning of successive clauses, phrases, or sentences. Let's look at an example from The Catcher in the Rye. Salinger uses "it rained" 3 times in 2 sentences. While anaphora typically includes the repetition of the same word or words, they can still contain a slight variation. Here's an example from a poem by William Blake. Blake's use of repetition of "in every cry" contains variations, but it is still anaphoric. Anaphora serves these purposes. Emphasis. The repetition draws attention to the repeated words, suggesting that the information is particularly important. This is especially useful in speeches where audience members cannot view the text. Rhythm. Developing a rhythmic pattern makes the information more memorable. Writers and speakers can stress the accumulation of emotions or provide a pleasant cadence. Compare, contrast. The repetition of anaphora connects ideas, provides a more direct way to compare and contrast information. Regardless of the specific purpose, anaphora enhances the message by delivering it in a way that can persuade, motivate, or inspire an audience. Anaphora plays a major role in various areas of language, including songs, speeches, literature, and poetry. The Beatles sang the phrase "nothing you can" over and over in "All You Need Is Love," which creates a pleasing rhythm. In Dr. King's "I Have a Dream" speech, he repeated "let freedom ring" many times, building the emotion of the speech. Maya Angelou used anaphora in her poem "Still I Rise" by repeating "you may" over several lines. The famous opening of Dickens' novel A Tale of Two Cities repeats the words "it was" over and over again. Both anaphora and epistrophe involve the repetition of words. However, anaphora occurs at the beginning of a set of clauses, phrases, or sentences, while epistrophe occurs at the end. The Gettysburg Address is an example of epistrophe. The phrase "the people" repeats at the end of each clause. When use of anaphora and epistrophe are combined, it creates a literary device called symplocy.